food preservation using pulsed electric field. Pulsed electric field technology is a non-thermal food preservation method that involves the use of short electricity pulses for microbial inactivation. The electric field is delivered to the product placed between two electrodes in the form of pulses of very short duration, which gives better retention of heat sensitive food components in fruit and vegetable product. A wide range of non-thermal processing techniques have gained popularity in recent times, which offers several advantages over thermal process such as low processing temperature, efficient energy utilization, inactivation of quality deteriorative enzymes, and spoilage causing microorganisms. The principle of working is that the thickness of vegetable cell membrane is approximately 5 nanometer, which is less than the plant cell membrane, that is approximately 100 micrometer. Electric field accumulates opposite charges at the two interface of the membrane. Electrostatic attraction of opposite charges operates along the membrane, inducing a squeezing of tissues. When the electric field reaches a critical value, the compression induces a reversible or irreversible formation of pores.
Is a device used in a power transmission in energy. It is commonly used to increase or decrease the supply voltage without change in frequency between the circuits. Here we use step-down transformer to convert high voltage primary supply of 230 AC to low voltage secondary output 12 volt AC. Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller based kit for building digital devices and interactive objects that can sense and control physical devices. The boards feature serial communication interface including universal serial bus for loading programs from personal computers. For programming the microcontroller, the Arduino project provides an integrated development environment, that is IDE, based on a programming language named Processing, which also support the language C and C++. Power supply. Power supply board. Power supply board gives 12 volt and 5 volt supply. The 12 volt supply gives to the Arduino Uno. PEF driver. PEF driver board needs to give high current, so we give power supply to the board. When it activates the high current, it is passed to the slider. Silent pulse predictor. It gives the high sequence pulse effect to the field.
To see the field applied, we need to install Uno R3 driver. USB of Arduino Uno is connected to the laptop. It should be installed first. Opening the Uno R3 driver and choosing to set up exe, and I am allowing it to install. Driver install success. In driver manager, I am going to check the port number. Open port com and LPT. In that, it's given that port com is 4, so port number is 4. Now I'm moving to where the project has been installed, and now I'm clicking to execute the project. Given the product number as 4. Now I'm switching on the kit. After that, click on start and select applied field. Now we can see the applied field in the form of wave. The time and duration of field applied is seen using the link given below. The recently applied field is shown 330, 21, 21, 57. Each and every record is shown here. Field applied. And that's all. Thank you.